During the last days of spring, there are a few magical moments where one can create this special potion, the Mahonia Mergence. And today, I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing you will need is the most important, and the ingredient from which this potion gets its name: the fruit of the Leatherleaf Mahonia, which are ripe for only a very short time before they disappear completely until the next year. If they're available, it might be worth gathering some early season dewberries. These are optional, but add an enchanting accent to the finished potion. I managed to find a nice handful, which should be more than sufficient for several doses. While you're out gathering these items, make sure to say hello to the locals. Once you've thoroughly washed the collected fruit, it's time to create a malarious extraction of Mahonia. To do this, pour the fruit into a pot with a small amount of water and let it sit on the stove over medium to high heat until the contents soften. Next, you'll want to mash the fruit and strain out the liquid. Return the liquid to the pot. Add honey. And cook down the extraction until it thickens into a syrup. And just like that, we have a finished malarious extraction of Mahonia, and we're ready to mix the potion. The remaining items you will need are an empty potion bottle, Juniperus communis extract dyed with Clitoria tornadea, some Wildflower Mead, frost salts, and optional dewberries. Begin by filling the empty potion bottle halfway with the Wildflower Mead. To that, add the malarious extraction of Mahonia. Then cork the bottle and vigorously shake it to thoroughly mix the contents. Next, carefully add the Juniperus communis extract. If you're clumsy like me and manage to spill some, that's okay. It's perfectly harmless. Just clean it up and continue. Now that we have the primary ingredients added, you can see that the mergence has not yet occurred. That's because a malarious extraction of Mahonia naturally tends to resist mergence with the Juniperus communis extract. This is solved by using frost salts as a catalytic agitator. Watch closely, because this is where the magic happens. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did and would like me to create more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Also be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.